Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 6th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar and you haven't looked at the December 6th goodie yet, you may want to pause this video. I'm about to open the window. So we'll find number 6, pop my finger in there and pull open the door, and it reveals a cute little turtle holding a balloon. Today's goodie is another die set. I'll open up the bag so you can see all the different pieces. There are several dies needed to assemble the turtle. There's also the balloon, the string, and a little party hat. This turtle is so sweet. So far, it's my favorite item. And you don't have to use it for a birthday or celebration card. You'd simply leave off the balloon and the party hat. For my card today, the card sketch is from CARDSTOCK. This is sketch number 42. The pattern paper is from Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. I've been using it for all my Advent cards so far. I selected this beautiful floral design for the background. I love the bright and cheerful colors. For the narrow strip across the card, I'm using a green tone-on-tone foliage piece. And for a little bit of separation and shine between the two pattern papers, I added a Love from Lizi peel-off. This is the teal mirror color in the pinstripe style. Then I'll layer the background on some teal cardstock, put my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. Now I am changing up this sketch just a bit. Instead of the oval on the left side, I'm adding a circle on the right side. I use some white shimmer cardstock and also teal cardstock for the circles. Now I'll assemble the adorable little turtle. I used 3 different shades of green cardstock for the turtle, and this is all cardstock from my stash. For the turtle's eye, I'm putting some double-sided adhesive tape on the back side of the turtle's head. Then I'll inlay the white piece of the eye. Then I'll put glue on the back and add the black piece of the eye. Now I'll attach the turtle's head to its body, putting a little bit of glue on the bottom of the neck. And just to make sure that stays in place, I'm also adding a small strip of double-sided adhesive tape. For the party hat, I used some light teal cardstock for the little pom-pom and yellow cardstock for the main portion of the hat. Put glue on the bottom portion of the hat and adhere it on top of the turtle's head. For the balloon, I cut it out of bright pink cardstock, matches the bright pink flowers on the pattern paper. I inlaid the little highlights of the balloon, and I used black cardstock for the balloon string. Now I'll pop up the turtle and also the balloon using some thin foam dimension. Before adding the foam dimension on the back of the turtle, I'll first remove the release paper of the double-sided adhesive tape. Then I'll add some small foam squares, and I'll cut some of those foam squares even smaller to put behind the turtle's legs. Now I'll remove the release paper. I'll first attach the balloon. I'm just holding up the turtle so I can get the placement correct. I'll add a little bit of glue at the bottom of the balloon string. Then I'll put the turtle on top, trying to have the balloon string go behind the turtle's front leg, so it looks like he's holding it. For a sentiment, I'm adding "Today is your day." This is a sentiment cut apart that's included in Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. I cut the left side at an angle. I'll put some foam dimension on the back, leaving the right side without the foam dimension, but I am still adding a scrap piece of cardstock. That way it stays at the same level. Then I'll adhere the sentiment on the left side of the turtle. To finish off the card, I'll add some pink gem stickers. These are left over from my stash. I'll put 3 of them above the sentiment on the left side and 2 on the right side of the turtle. I kept changing my mind on the placement of the gem stickers, but that's something I do all the time. It does help that the card sketch indicates placement for 3 different embellishments. Of course, you don't have to follow sketches exactly. You can always change them up to what works best for you. I put the circle on the right side since the turtle is facing left. I think it looked better for the turtle to be facing the sentiment instead of the edge of the card. So there is my finished card using the December 6th item from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I will add links in the description box for any products that are still available. And be sure to come back to my channel tomorrow for the December 7th reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.